We're at the Infineon booth at Embedded World 2023, and I'm here with Thomas. Thomas, what would you say what kind of challenges would you say your customers were facing?
Yeah, so usually customers face the challenge of how to create a device that meets the requirements on power efficiency, user experience and high performance, all at a small form factor and small price. And this is quite a challenge nowadays also to keep up with the latest developments, and that's why we also have our solution here at the place.
Really? What kind of solution do you have?
Yeah, so here you see our smart speaker evaluation kit, and this smart speaker evaluation kit shows all of our portfolio that can go into speaker, conferencing system or similar devices that really allow for a high user experience and also high power efficiency, especially also for portable devices like portable smart speakers, for example.
That's really interesting. Now, what kind of components do you have on there?
So a core component of a smart speaker is the microphone. You see here a microphone array that allows to interact with the voice user interface. You also has a capacitive sensing module here on top. You can also, for example, do a volume swipe change. It also has a very power efficient Class D amplifier for up to 50% higher battery efficiency. And here you also have a Wi-Fi Bluetooth combo. And here a very new development of us, a radar module. For example, if you're standing in front of the speaker, it allows you to track your position, your movement, your presence.
Wow.
Yeah, so for example, if you leave the room, it turns off the music.
Oh.
Or if it can even sense your heartbeat from a distance. For example, if you do sleep tracking.
That's pretty fantastic. Now, how can I evaluate this? Is there a development board?
Yeah, so this one can be evaluated in the smart speaker kit, so we can also ship it to our customers. We can also provide individual samples on all of the components, and we can provide individual support as needed. For example, we have various offerings on the radar side, module solutions, and we can help out the customer based on individual needs.
Fantastic, that sounds so interesting.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.